There are many Armoire products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best armoires from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Eco Wardrobe Closet Armoire. Rating 4.3. This wardrobe closet adds storage space in overall size. 72H x 35.4 watts x 18D. The full-length closet rod can hang more than 10 pieces of long coats. Extra drawer design can hold socks, toys, and other small items. Furnished height-adjustable steel shelf. It can also accommodate bedding, blankets, linens, cleaning supplies, and tools in your laundry room. The cabinet blends easily into any home space and workshop with its elegant and stylish appearance. It functions perfectly as bedroom armoires, cloakroom lockers, office cabinets, and garage storage lockers, fitting seamlessly in various rooms. It keeps your clothes, shoes, bedding, cleaning supplies, and sports well organized. Number 4. Metal Cabinet Digital Lock Armoire. Rating 4.3. Crafted from heavy-gauge cold-rolled steel, our sturdy and durable storage cabinet with doors and shelves boasts unrivaled strength and resilience, ensuring long-lasting performance and protection for your tools, accessories, and office supplies. Designed in 2024 after years of feedback from clients, the best storage solution. Experience peace of mind with our strong zinc digital locking mechanism and an anti-tip device for wall installation, ensuring your belongings stay safe and secure at all times inside locker cabinet. Our package undergoes rigorous testing in challenging conditions to ensure it arrives intact to you. Number 3. Yazash Metal Armoire. Rating 4.4. Our tall metal wardrobe cabinet is equipped with a lock, 2 keys, and 3 adjustable shelves to provide adaptability and convenience. The closet rod is made of thickened steel, so you don't have to worry about it breaking when hanging too many items. It will meet your needs and hold as many items as you want. Regardless of what your storage needs are, you can create a unique storage space to suit them. Sturdy and reliable, each of the 3 shelves in this wardrobe cabinet can hold up to 80 pounds, with a heavy-duty metal frame. These shelves will stabilize their contents and protect them. Whether you want to store clothes, office files, garage tools, or other large and heavy items, it's no problem. Number 2. Yahidic Wooden Floor Armoire. Rating 4.4. This freestanding cabinet is built in a solid structure, with high load capacity, up to 45 kilograms 99 pounds, meets your basic storage requirements. 4 drawers with cutout handles and 1 cupboard with a customizable shelf for you to organize different items like cosmetics, toiletries, towels, toilet paper, etc. A great option for tucking away bathroom clutter. This bathroom storage cabinet showcases a sleek rectangular design with beadboard panels on the faces of drawers and doors, making it an aesthetically pleasing fit for any home decor from traditional to modern. Easy to assemble, comes with all necessary hardware and an illustrated instruction manual to help quick and effortless setup. Number 1. Black Metal Storage Cabinet Armoire. Rating 4.6. The black storage cabinet has 3 adjustable shelves, and you can design the size of the 4 storage spaces according to your needs. The 4-layer storage space allows you to place daily necessities in categories without worrying about clutter caused by insufficient space. The adjustable design can fully meet your different life needs. The bathroom storage cabinet is made of cold-rolled steel. The metal cabinet is sturdy and durable, not easy to break while using electrostatic powder coating technology. Metal is fully clad, waterproof, wear-resistant, highly hard, not easy to corrode, easy to clean. It is a preferred choice as a bathroom and kitchen storage cabinets. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you, so subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.